this episode, we will be teaching you how to make your own portable lightbox. You can find the materials you need just in your house, or if not, in your local art store or retail stores like Dollarama. You will be needing a bin, which cost only $4. Some black art papers, plastic bag or black acrylic paints. You will also need some tapes for the art papers or brush for the paint. And some portable lights that can also be acquired for just a few bucks in Dollarama. Step 1. Make sure that your bin is transparent, in order for the light to pass through. Step 2. Ensure that the cover is flat. If there is a bump or notch, cover it just enough transparent tape. Step 3. Open the bin and cover the sides with black paper or plastic bag. If you are using paint, make sure you painted all sides with black. This process ensures that the light coming from your portable light lamp or LED light will only pass through the cover. Step 4. Put all your portable light inside the bin. Be sure the lights are open. Put the cover and you can now begin using your light box. A light box has many uses in the art community. It is used by comic book illustrators to ink their pencil illustrations and by most traditional animators to create frame-by-frame animations. As an art hobbyist, you can also use the Lightbox to trace images. Tracing images is a helpful way to begin studying form, lines and shading. Another tip. You can increase the effect of transparency or lower the opaqueness by moving closer the light source to the cover. To do this, put an extra support like a box beneath the portable light lamp.